Hey there, Globetrotters, ready to embark on your next adventure? Do you want to unlock the world without breaking the bank on roaming charges? Imagine staying connected no matter where you are, without the hassle of finding local SIM cards or relying on spotty Wi-Fi. Then you've got to check out eSIMX. This revolutionary service is designed to make your travels smoother and more enjoyable. Click the link in the description below to get your special offer now. So, what's eSIMX? Let's dive in and find out why it's the ultimate travel companion. It's your ultimate travel buddy when it comes to staying connected across the globe. No more fumbling with physical SIM cards or worrying about exorbitant roaming fees. Imagine this. You land in Tokyo, Paris, or Sydney, and bam! You're instantly connected. No swapping SIM cards, no hunting for Wi-Fi, just pure, seamless internet bliss. Whether you're lounging on a beach or exploring a bustling city, eSIMX ensures you stay connected effortlessly. Here's why eSIMX is a game changer for travelers and digital nomads alike. It's not just about connectivity, it's about convenience and peace of mind. First off, they've got coverage in over 190 countries and regions. That means you can travel almost anywhere and still stay connected. Yes, you heard that right. No matter where your adventures take you, eSIMX has got you covered. From the bustling streets of New York to the serene beaches of Bali, your connection is guaranteed. Now let's talk data plans. eSIMX offers a range of options, from 1 GB to a whopping 50 GB, with durations from 7 to 30 days. This flexibility ensures you get the right plan for your needs. Prices start at just $4.50. Yep, no hidden fees. You get exactly what you pay for, with no surprises on your bill. And guess what? There's a rewards program with cashback on every order. The more you use eSIMX, the more you save. Installing eSIMX is as easy as pie. You simply download their app, follow the super straightforward steps, and voila! You're ready to surf the web. Plus, they've got 24/7 customer support to help you out if you hit a snag. Now, let's be real. Traveling can be stressful, but staying connected shouldn't be. Roaming charges are a thing of the past. With eSIMX, you'll save big bucks compared to traditional roaming fees. No more stressing about how much that Instagram story from the Eiffel Tower will cost you. Just pure, affordable connectivity. Share your moments without a second thought. And did I mention it's environmentally friendly? By ditching physical SIM cards, you're doing your part to reduce plastic waste. It's a win-win. But don't just take my word for it. User reviews are glowing. People love the ease of use, the affordability, and the reliability. It's the modern traveler's dream come true. No more connectivity issues, just smooth sailing wherever you go. So if you're ready to take your travels to the next level, click the link in the description below to get your special offer now. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Don't miss out on unlocking the world with eSIMX. Thanks for watching. Your next adventure is just a click away. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and tech reviews. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, happy travels, safe journeys, and stay connected.